washed his hands. We all cook two different ways. We're in our kitchen alone, we do whatever we want, don't we? But when somebody's looking, oh, let me wash my hands. Oh, let's get gloves here. Something falls on the floor, we're alone, we wipe it off, put it back on the stove. Perfectly good. Somebody's in our kitchen, we wrap it up, throw it away, pretend to throw it away. When they leave, we wash it off. Last year, I did a barbecue for some friends, and I was doing some sausage. The sausage rolls on the ground. I don't have a dog. So I look around and see if anybody was looking. Nobody was looking. So you just can't pick up a sausage. You have to drop something else on the ground. So you pick it up, look, put the sausage back, and take it. But if you change the name, grass is natural. That's an herb. A lot of people eat it. Cows eat grass, we eat cows. Good. Cut out the middleman, eat the grass. Get anybody sick. So my hands are relatively clean. Pecans. How many do you add? How many can you afford? Okay. Pecans, huh?
Put them all.
Yeah, let's put them all in. You notice the other thing is you start with a bowl and it keeps building and you put a little bit more in, a little bit more in. Dominant, I think adds just a different dimension, a little more flavor in here. See how I'm still seeing pieces, chunks of bread? It's not moist enough for me, so I want to add a little bit more milk. I want the bread basically to fall apart. I really don't want to see any pieces of bread. So this is the bread pudding. Whoop! I'm going to use a little nutmeg, a little cinnamon, and a little vanilla. And my vanilla. It's that simple. It's how you approach food. You see how thick this is? Again, it's very thick, it's very moist. Habanero peppers. Question about the pralines. Go ahead. Question about pralines. Question about any. So the first I started, when we opened up. Yes.
Can you tell us about something?
Jambalaya. Bread pudding.
And don't order it as an appetizer. Tell you want it as an entree. And get a big portion. This is a